This is a very concise video showing the steps to download and install the latest version of MongoDB, a NoSQL database designed to handle large volume of unstructured or semi-structured data. It provides a flexible schema allowing developers to store the data in JSON-like document. Those documents are stored in collections, and collections are grouped into the database. To install MongoDB, open any of your favorite browsers and search for MongoDB. In the first search result, you will find the official website of MongoDB. Click on it. This will bring you to a page to sign up, but that's unnecessary. So we just click on MongoDB. Then you will be routed to this page. Now just hover over or click on the product. Under the product section, you will find the self-managed section. And under this section, you will find the community edition of MongoDB. Just click on it. Scroll down a little. Then click on download community. Again, you need to scroll down and you will find the MongoDB community server download section here. Here you can select the version from multiple options. We select the current version. After selecting the version, you can choose your platform like macOS, Linux or Windows. In my case, I am using a Windows 64-bit operating system, so I select that. After choosing the platform, you can select the installation package type. I am going with MSI package and click on download. This download will take some time, so I will come back once the download is complete. So finally, the installation file is downloaded. Open it in your file explorer and right click to open it. Then click next and accept the license agreement. Click next again. Choose complete, keep the settings as there and click next again. Here I recommend installing MongoDB Compass along with MongoDB itself because MongoDB Compass is a GUI application and it comes with a pre-built Mongo shell. So we don't need to install Mongo shell separately. Then click next and finally click install. The installation process will start now. So finally MongoDB is installed. Click finish. I have a previous connection saved, so I am going to delete for it now. Now minimize MongoDB Compass. Open the file explorer. Click on C drive. Then program files. Then MongoDB. Then again server. And click on the latest version. Open the bin folder and copy the path from here. Now open system environment variable and click on environment variables. Under the system variable section, click on the path and edit it. Click on the new and paste the MongoDB bin folder path here. Save this variable by clicking OK. Now open MongoDB Compass again. Click on add new connection. Provide a desired name for the connection and click save and connect. Next, click on the plus symbol to create the database. Provide a database name and collection name. Then click create database. And finally, we have created a collection inside the database. From here, you can also open the Mongos or Mongo shell. Best of luck on your Mongo journey. If you want a detailed video on MongoDB database, just subscribe to this channel and comment below.